So in this lecture, we have started our journey of transitioning from Python to C. And as we have seen, learning a new language can be tricky, particularly because there are so many similarities, surface level similarities, that actually correspond to key differences in those two languages. Don't forget that one of the ways in which you can actually translate Python code which you might understand or comprehend better into C code is by using generative AI tools. And here again, your knowledge of certain technical terminology could be useful for you. For example, if the translation from a Python program that involves floats into a C program also involved floats, then you could step in and tell your generative AI, no, please use double precision in C. Now, C is a much older language than Python. Nevertheless, it remains very, very popular. The IEEE Spectrum magazine regularly brings out rankings of different programming languages by their popularity. And even though C is not amongst the top, if you go back and look at the past rankings, you will see that C regularly remains close to the top. So it's still a very popular language. One of the reasons it's very popular is that C code is extremely fast. In fact, towards the very end of this course, we will take a slow Python program and we will make it faster by translating parts of it into C. And you will actually be able to run this Python program that calls C code within it. In fact, many of the high performance modules that are available in Python are actually written in faster languages such as C. But the other reason we will continue to explore C is to try and demystify some parts of Python. We will understand how lists actually work by taking a look at a simplified implementation of Python's lists in C. But before we do that, we have a little bit more to explore. The immediate next point that we will discuss is what we looked at in this lecture. When we call a C function, if we are making a copy of that data, then that copying process could be extremely slow if the volume of data was very large. For example, if the data was a very long string. So how is it that C, which is claimed to be a very fast language, allows something so slow? Well, that's a mystery we'll resolve next time.